Mayabas. Yo, and what is up, guys? So today we are off to a new adventure. And actually kanina pa kami nag-uusap kung saan tayo pupunta, saan tayo maggagagala ngayon. And until now, we are driving heading north and we still don't have a plan. Wala pa rin tayong alam kung ano yung gagawin natin. So for this adventure, kasama natin si Kurt at si Ricky. Yeah. So bahala na, biyahe na lang tayo, guys. Tara.
Whoa, 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 Lord. True love is not measured by what you receive, but the kindness you give. That's what I believe. In every selfless act, in every word be kind, blessings will return to you just in time. Just in time.
Isot ka ba, like? Pag-vlog nila ka.
So yun guys, may mga pagsubok talaga sa buhay na dapat natin at kailangan nating nagpasan.
In the heart's boundless expanse is where true love is found. Not by gifts or treasures, but in the kindness that goes around. True love is not measured by what you receive, but the kindness you give. That's what I believe. In every selfless act, in every word be kind, blessings will return to you just in time. Just in time, Lord. Oh yeah, just in time. In every whisper of empathy, to a smile that brightens the day, to selfless deeds and words, blessings.
So guys, nandito muna kami. Salamat at may bakery dito sapagkat hindi tayo nakapagbaon ng pagkain. And eto sila Kurt, bumili muna ng ating makakain. And we have decided guys na ngayon ay pumunta sa Tunok Falls. So dun muna tayo magliliwaliw. So tara.
Blessings will return to you just in time. True love is not measured by what you receive, but the kindness you give. That's what I believe.
So guys, napakaganda ng araw ngayon dito. So habang binabagtas natin ang daan papunta sa Barangay Manuel Baral, sapagkat nang doon ang Tunok Falls, napapansin natin na ito yung dinadaanan natin, no? Di ba napakaganda ng araw, napakaganda ng panahon na binigay sa atin ngayon. And then we're just excited sapagkat medyo matagal-tagal na rin tayong hindi nakakabalik sa Tunok. Pero yung kinakaharap natin ngayon ay eto. Look at that. Tingnan niyo yung kalsada dito guys. So, ooh. Grabe. So actually guys, nakalimutan ko kung saan ba yung daan. Tayo ba dediretso dito o liliko dito?
Motor guide sir.
May mga guide daw dito pero mga politicians yan, oh. Sabi ni Orkin.
Tara na.
Mga politician yung family. So guys, heto na tayo. Nandito na tayo sa Hanging Bridge. Guys, heto na naman tayo guys. Yay! Karudlok! Guys, nakakatakot, promise. Hi! Uy! Nananay ni Genesis! Ah, mama daw! Uy! Grabe guys! Nakilig man guys. Panupat ko na ini. Pero sab to buyod pa man ninyo, karadlo kay damo na utod-utod. Oh, shout out guys, shout out. So guys, katatapos lang natin sa Hanging Bridge. Grabe. Na medyo kinakabahan tayo sapagkat yung inaapakan talaga medyo sira-sira na. So after ng Hanging Bridge, ito na naman tayo, maglalakad na naman tayo ng ilang minuto papunta sa mismong falls.
Walking down this endless road of dust and dreams, shadows whisper doubts, they say life's not what it seems. But there's a light in the distance glowing just for me. Hope's a fragile flame I keep close and free. Balancing on the edge where doubt means bright. Every step's a dance between the dark and light. One moment I fall, the next I rise above, searching for truth in this maze of love. Shadows and light wrestling in my mind, lost and found, I'm leaving doubt behind. Holding on to hope, it's a never-ending fight. In this world of ours, we chase shadows and light.
So yan yung babayaran pa natin. Entrance fee 30. Okay. So para pumasok guys, kailangan mo nang magbayad ng 30 pesos. Tapos pag nakapag-entrance, bibigyan ka nito band, and then di na daw tayo sisitahin dito. So heto na yung Tunok Falls guys.
Doubt beats by, holding on to hope, it's a never-ending fight. In this world of ours, we chase shadows and light.
Kulang ang tubig kasi may nag-aaway na aso. So medyo ano ngayon yung water guys, medyo konti yung tubig na inilalabas ng falls. Actually we've been here a couple of times na, pero I think ito yung pinaka-konti yung tubig, marahil dahil buong araw nga naging maaraw. Parang hindi umulan sa areang to.
So, pararating lang namin guys, time check. Alas 4 na ng hapon. Medyo natagalan kami pagdating dito kasi Marami pa kaming pinagdaanan. Like hanging bridge. Hanging bridge ito, sir?
Oo.
Hanging bridge. So yan guys, napalinaw ng tubig. Napakaganda ng tubig. Wow. So try natin itapak yung paa natin kung malamig ba o mainit. Oh! Napakalamig ng tubig guys. Napakalamig ng tubig dito. Masarap maligo.
This is my world in one day. I like to help make it a better place. This is my world in one day. I like to help. They say I can do anything. What will I do into this world bring? What type of future can be mine? Maybe doing what I want is where my talent lies. This is my world in one day. I like to help make it a better place. This is my world in one day. I like to help.
Sobrang lamig guys. Napakalamig ng tubig.
And that is what I'll be best me. I know the future I desire.
Malamig daw guys, so sobrang lamig ng tubig. Grabe.
This is my world in one day. I'd like to help. I'd like to help. This is my world in one day. I'd like to help make it a better place. This is my world in one day. I'd like to help.
So heto guys, so kaka-bad trip naman, no. Look at this, napakaraming kalat. Yun pa. Please naman, no, sa bibisita sa Tunok. Ang rami talagang basura guys, promise. May basurahan doon, no. Pero yung kalat talaga ng mga pumupunta dito. Tingnan nyo, oh. Look at what they are doing. Oh. Grabe, sobrang kakakalat nila. Simple lang naman sana na solusyonan yung problema. Tapos, yung lugar na to guys, this is a protected landscape. This is the Calbayog Panas Hibayan Protected Landscape. Diba? Tapos ito yung ginagawa nila. So guys, pauwi na kami. Pabalik na kami. Pero this time guys, kung medyo maliwanag pa mamaya, pagdating natin sa hanging bridge, try naman nating tawirin yung ilog. So mag-iilog tayo. Sa tingin ko low tide naman, kaya hindi tayo mahihirapan. So nag-explore lang tayo guys. Wow! Kaangas, oh. So wag nyo tong gagayahin guys, na pumapasok-pasok kayo sa mga lugar na hindi nyo alam. Maganda. Kaya? Subugon dire.
Laro mo na sir.
Ha? So medyo malalim. Tara, balik tayo. Tignan nyo yung dinadaanan natin, no? Grabe yung putik.
I've walked through valleys dark and wide, with questions buried deep inside. But I held on to faith and grace, even when I couldn't see your face. This world fades, but your word stays, and leads me through my final days. On the other side I will rise, bathed in love that never dies. No more sorrow, no more night, just the Savior's endless light. I've heard the whispers of the wind, like voices of old faithful friends. They call from past the great divide, where no more broken hearts reside. On the
Wow, thank you. So guys, binigyan tayo ng
Natang boss, mangga.
guava. Mansanas? Bayabas. Yan. Sarap guys. Thank you.
Thank you sa mangga.
Bayabas. Salamat.
Mangga ito, mangga no, boss?
Kamu na mawagan.
night in robes of white.